Hey everyone! Today, we're going to create this beautiful set together. Since I create a lot of content, I love using the gel peel-off base coat. This makes it super easy to remove my nails after 5 to 7 days, keeping them perfectly safe and ready for the next look. Once that nice, even layer is fully cured and ready to go, it's time for the next fun step. I'm grabbing my Gelly Nail Glue by Alizori to smoothly apply the gel tips. This glue is an absolute lifesaver because it makes the whole process so effortless and smooth. Now, what I love about this Alizori Gelly Glue is that it has a slightly thicker consistency. It gives you that amazing strong hold, which means these beauties can easily last for up to 4 weeks without budging. Once I have each tip perfectly in place, I quickly flash cure it to lock it in. Then, once they're all done, I pop my whole hand into the lamp for a full, final cure to make sure everything is completely set. Since this is a set that only needs to stay on for 5 to 7 days, I don't spend too much time prepping and filing the gel tips like I would during a regular client treatment. I really want to protect that peel-off base underneath. Speaking of which, when it's time for a change, I'll be removing that peel-off base coat later using a 1-kill remover. But first, let's quickly get rid of all that dust. I'm just brushing it away so we have a completely clean surface for our next steps. Now for the fun part. I'm starting with a lovely pink gel paint to create a gorgeous aura effect right in the center of the nail. It gives it that dreamy, blushing look that I absolutely adore. Next up, I'm going over the nails with the Alizori medium gel in the shade Mykonos. This is actually a builder gel, but it has this absolutely stunning, shimmering glitter shine to it that completely transforms the look. I'm making sure to apply it right over that little edge where I blended a bit less than usual. This is a great little trick, because it completely hides the line and makes everything look beautifully seamless. By the way, if you're wondering where to get these amazing Alizori products, they are all available at Beauty by Wen. As for the peel-off base coat and that handy 1-kill remover, you can grab those over at Nail Monster EU. And I have some great news for you guys. You can use my discount code BEPPY10 at Nail Monster to get 10% off your order. Once I'm all done with that, I'm going in with the Alizori Pro Shine Top Coat to seal it all in. This is going to give our set that beautiful, ultra glossy finish. And now for the magic. We're going to start on the gorgeous 3D flower and those striking gold elements using chrome powder. This is where the whole look truly comes to life, and I can't wait to show you how it's done. Using the 3D flower gel, I start shaping the petals. But here's my favorite little trick. I actually shape and sculpt them right on the back of my hand, first using a carving tool before transferring them to the nail. I repeat this exact same process for all 5 petals, making sure they look absolutely perfect before we move on to adding the color. Right in the very center of the flower, I'm placing a dot of vibrant orange. Then, taking a little sponge, I softly blend it outwards until it fades into a gorgeous, delicate orange glow. This paint palette is by Miss Pink Nails. You can also use my personal discount code BEPPY at their store misspinknail.com to receive a discount on this palette and many other products. To really make it pop, I'm also adding some beautiful, tiny brown dots right inside the flower. It's such a small detail, but it instantly brings the whole blossom to life. Next, I'm going in with a solid nail gel to create that gorgeous, glassy look. Just like before, I'm rolling it into tiny little balls and sculpting them beautifully right over our colored flower. To finish off our beautiful flower, I've placed a shiny little rhinestone right in the center. Next up, I'm applying a matte top coat to the other nail. We're doing this so that our gorgeous gold element will only stick exactly where we want it to. For the design base, I'm using this amazing black gel. From Inversi, it's color number 60. Honestly, it is hands down one of the best out there because the pigmentation is absolutely incredible, and it covers perfectly in just one go. Once my pattern is completely finished, I just rub that gorgeous gold chrome powder right over it. Oh my goodness, just look at how beautiful that turns out. It looks absolutely stunning. To finish everything off, I'm applying one last layer of top coat and some nourishing cuticle oil to keep everything healthy and fresh. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a design. But don't go anywhere just yet, make sure to stay tuned until the very end to see the gorgeous final result.